Welcome back to our channel. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker 900 is an exciting three-wheeled motorcycle that continues to redefine the concept of fun, freedom, and style on the road. Designed for riders who want to experience the thrill of motorcycle with added stability and comfort, the Ryker 900 combines modern technology with bold looks to appeal to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. With its unique Y-frame design, the Ryker 900 offers the best of both worlds: the open-air feeling of a motorcycle and the confidence of a more planted ride thanks to its two front wheels and single rear wheel. One of the standout features of the 2026 Ryker 900 is its powerful Rotax 900 Ace engine. This inline three-cylinder engine delivers smooth, reliable power with excellent throttle response, making it perfect for city commutes, highway cruising, or weekend adventures. The automatic CVT transmission removes the need for manual shifting, making it more accessible to riders who may not have experience with a clutch and gearbox. This ease of use does not come at the expense of performance, as the Ryker 900 delivers a lively and engaging ride with plenty of torque and acceleration on demand. Comfort and customization have been key priorities in the 2026 model. The Ryker 900 features an ergonomic riding position with an adjustable seat, handlebars, and foot pegs to suit a wide range of riders. Whether you're tall or short, you can adjust the machine to fit you perfectly in just a few minutes, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long trips. The suspension has been tuned to soak up bumps and provide a smooth experience, while the wide front track and low center of gravity contribute to excellent stability, even during sharp turns. Visually, the 2026 Ryker 900 is a head-turner. It offers a variety of color options, graphic kits, and accessories that let owners personalize their ride to match their personality. From sporty to stealthy or even vibrant and flashy, you can make your Ryker truly yours. The updated LED lighting system not only enhances the modern look of the vehicle but also improves visibility and safety in all conditions. Technology also plays a big role in the 2026 Ryker 900. It comes equipped with a digital display that provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and ride mode. Optional accessories like a Bluetooth audio system and GPS navigation are also available, making your rides more enjoyable and convenient. With features like stability control, traction control, and ABS, riders can feel confident and secure in different road conditions. For anyone looking for a unique, fun, and accessible riding experience, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker 900 is an excellent choice. Its combination of performance, style, and ease of use makes it an appealing option for those who want the thrill of a motorcycle without the steep learning curve. Whether you're a first-time rider or a seasoned biker looking for something different, the Ryker 900 promises a memorable and exhilarating journey every time you hit the road. Thanks for watching video and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon button.